Ibanez. Balik sa kay jersey number 5, jersey number 10. No good. Rebound to jersey number 24 para kay Santo Niño. Jersey number 26 at paso ulit. Kunti ka pinawalan. No good. Rebound jersey number 17. Paso jersey number 24 and 3 points jersey number 24. Rebound jersey number 22 para kay Santo Niño. Last 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Jersey number 26. Another 3 points for jersey number 26. Paso Will. 3 points.
Dapat bantayan, di man nabantayan.
Jersey number 5, paso jersey number 25, Siliganes to Isabel. 4-2, no good. Back Samantala. Jersey number 10, holding foul. Email jersey number 24 from Santo Niño. Warning Santo Niño for making foul. Jersey number 24. That's jersey number 22. Nakahanap ng foul time. Last 15 to shoot. Jersey number 84 for 3 points. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Already before the final quarter. Last 15 to shoot. Jersey number 84, no good. We got the second ball para kay Santo Niño.
Pilde o ginana.
Jersey number 24, jersey number 22. Jersey number no good.
Last 13 to shoot.
We got jersey number 31. No good. Jumbo. Time out board by Musibo. Nakita mo sa ating board and final quarter 4 minutes and 12 seconds with a score of 7-6-66. 10 points in the match of Barangay Santo Niño. Laban sa kabulan ng Barangay Musibo. Against score natin 76-66. Santo Niño. Time remaining for the board and final quarter 4 minutes.